Hi there. Discover the Planet Avenue 4-pack glass containers with bamboo lids, perfect for meal prep and storage. These containers come in 4 different sizes, ideal for everything from leftovers to dry goods like pasta and sugar. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, they are microwave, oven, dishwasher, and freezer safe without the lids. The bamboo lids feature airtight silicone seals and double as cutting boards for added kitchen convenience. Eco-friendly and BPA-free, these containers help you store food safely while protecting the environment. They resist stains, odors, and keep your food fresh for days in the fridge. Enjoy peace of mind with their durable design and commitment to your food safety and health. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.